A player of the match performance, a back-to-back player of the match performance, in fact, for you in this T20 World Cup. Jaspreet, welcome to ICC Digital. We want to talk to you about this rivalry and this game. How much did you enjoy bowling out there in New York City today?
Yeah, it was a good day. The wicket did change after a while because the wicket that we played on last time had a lot more help. But in the morning it was overcast, and then later on the sun opened up, and the wicket did dry up, so it did get better to bat on. So it was slightly better to bat on. So the seam and the swing was less. But yeah, we are very happy that we were able to pull it off with constant pressure, trying to be clear with what we want to do and try to make run scoring difficult. So very happy that we were together and we were very clear and we never panicked at any stage. So that's a great sign for us going forward as well.
It was a match where the balance kept on shifting through the course of the game, but the turning point for India most definitely was when you dismissed Rizwan, who looked like he was building an innings for Pakistan. Talk us through that dismissal.
So, at that time, it's difficult. What are the options? So we have to assess the situation. What is the other batsman going to do as well? So I was trying to back what is working for me because we played few games here. So try to make run scoring as difficult as possible. Try to make them hit on the bigger side. Try to, be nice and calm. So all that was going on at that time, and the execution was good. The ball did stay a little low, but we're very happy that, that changed the momentum, and then the things were in our favour.
Is Rizwan becoming a favourite wicket of yours very quickly? Because last year at the Cricket World Cup, you dismissed him at that India Park game in Ahmedabad as well.
No, I don't think like that. But, I look at the situation. For me, the greatest happiness is that whenever there's a problem or there's a puzzle, how do I solve it? What are my options? Rather than thinking too much in the end, or this is the opposition, I try to focus on how do I help the team and how do I solve this problem. So very happy that I could do it today. So yeah, but there is nothing like that where I was thinking of the opposition.
We spoke to Arshdeep after your win against Ireland about this bowling unit, and he said that there's so much variety and so much experience here. It's a really fun bunch to bowl with. What is your sort of experience been with this bowling attack?
It's very good that all have different kind of things. Arshdeep is a left-hander, Siraj brings something else to the table, and I have a different role as well. So yeah, very happy with the way it's gelling up, and the calmness in the unit is very good to see, and very clear with the plans. Even when we are discussing, everybody's quite clear on what to do because the preparation is good. So I think it's coming out really well.
Today's a day to celebrate that win against Pakistan. But looking ahead, you have one more match here in New York City. How much have you enjoyed playing out here in the stadium?
It felt really good. First of all, the ground's pretty big, so there's one tick mark and there's some help. So I would never ever complain as a bowler because always the games where there's challenge between bat and ball is always a good sight to see and spectacle as well. So very happy and trying to take the momentum forward.
Awesome. Jaspreet, thank you so much for talking to us, and we'll see you again very soon. Congratulations on your second win in the tournament.
Thank you. We'll see you in 30 minutes. Thank you.
What's for dinner?